Hello everyone, this is Vandita. Welcome to my channel. Today's video I'm going to tell you about this blanket pattern. This is very easy pattern and you can see the back side also. This is very smooth, absolutely plain from the back side. So let's begin our video. Okay, with this I'm taking this 4-ply wool, and with this I'm taking this my favorite crochet hook, which is 6 number crochet hook, which is 3.5 mm crochet. Okay, I'm just making a sample for this video, so you can start with the slip knot like this, or you can start like this also. I usually start like this. Okay, for this sample I'm making 25 chains, 24 chains for the pattern and 1 chain extra for the starting. So I will make 4 puffs in this sample. For the 4 puffs pattern I am making 24 chains and 1 chain extra for the starting. So total I am making 25 chains. Okay, I have completed my 25 chains. Now skip very first chain and from the second chain start to make double crochets. Double crochet in every chain or a basic row of double crochets. We should have 24 double crochets and complete this round. This is our first round. Make double crochets basic line. Okay, my first round is completed here. Chain in last, chain 1 and turn over. Now this is our second round and this will be the front side of our pattern. Okay, so I am making 4 double crochets in between these puffs. You can decrease or increase these double crochets. You can make 3 double crochets or 5 double crochets. It depends you that how much gap you want in your pattern. Okay, so I'm making 4 double crochets gap in between them. So first of all we will make 1 single crochet in the first chain. In the next chain, second single crochet. Like this, make 4 single crochets continue. So 1 2 3 4. After 4 single crochets, in the next double crochet in the back side of this double crochet like this. Start to take loops on the hook like puff stitches with 3 loops. After 3 loops, take yarn over the hook into the all loops like this. And now lock them with a chain and skip this chain, and in the next chain, into this chain again make 4 single crochets continue. 1 2 3 and 4. After 4 single crochets, in 5th double crochet take yarn over the hook with 3 puff stitches, 2 and 3 like this. lock with a chain. Again repeat the same 4 single crochets and 4. Make one puff stitch of 3 loops or 3 rounds. One, 2, 3, 4. After 4, 1, 2, 3. Lock it. Now we should have 4 double crochets like our starting. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Chain 1, and here my second round is also completed now. Okay, for the next round or for the third round we will turn over and again make a basic row of double crochets. If you are getting confused in these chains, so you can count your double crochets. They should be 24. Okay, like this. Complete this third round also. Make this till the end and come here for the fourth round. Okay, let me tell you one more thing which is very important. In the third round, when we are making double crochets in every chain, then there are increasing 4 double crochets extra. So for that, 4 double crochets, 5 double crochets. Okay, after that, which is the smallest chain in this row, this one, skip this, and in the next chain make double crochet, and after this make 4 double crochets more. Three and 4, so they are total 5. Chain 1. Now you can see 4, 5, 5, 5 and 5, so they are total 24 double crochets. Now we will turn over and again we will repeat the exact second round. 4 single crochets, continue. Like this, and after this, now into this puff like this, not into this chain or double crochet, into this puff like this. Now make puff form into this space. 3 rounds. This. Now again make 4 single crochets. 1, 3 and 4, and into this puff the back side, only the from the front side. You can see 1, 2, 3. Four single crochets. After this, again repeat the same puff stitch into the first puff stitch. We'll make the second puff stitch. Four single crochets. And this is our last. And now we should have four single crochets. 1, 2, 3, chain 1, and here my fourth round is also completed. And in the next round we will make a double crochets basic line, and again we will repeat the same 4 single crochets, puff, 4 single crochets, puff, 4 single crochets, puff. Like this we will complete our pattern, and this will look like this. I hope you like this video, so please don't forget to give a like my video and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you. Keep watching.